Welcome back. We're seeking Vegas Sunrise, and today's room tour is at the English Hotel in the Arts District in Las Vegas. The English Hotel is located about 2 blocks north of the main strip area in the Arts District. So you're walking distance to lots of great restaurants and shops, lots of cool bars and breweries. Our room was one of the basic rooms on the 4th floor. As you enter the room, you have a place to hang your things, a bathroom to your right, vanity area, toilet, blow dryer, English towels, some earplugs in case it's too loud at the Pepper Club. And the shower used to be completely see-through, but now they've actually added a wrap to it so you have a little more privacy. So you have a desk / getting ready area, large TV. This room actually features a fridge, which is a little bit hard to find in Vegas. There's free water available at the front desk. Comfortable king-size bed, really cool nightstands, plenty of lighting, air conditioning unit, comfy chair, and a bar cart. When you stay at the English, you also get a nice welcome gift when you check in. There's a view of downtown. There's also the option of a view of the pool area. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.